We're gonna look at this together for the first time. Let's see what they sent. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. I am going to freaking. Hey Bells, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing some jewelry from Gona. They are located in France, which is like mind-boggling to me. But they're located in France. They saw my channel, wanted me to review some of their jewelry, and so we are here. So they specialize in like charms and charm bracelets. They sell other jewelry, of course, but the specialty is their charms and charm bracelets. It's not like Pandora. Their jewelry is more exquisite, artistic, beautifully designed. They have handcrafted enamel painting techniques, and they use 925 sterling silver for their jewelry. So like that's the base of their jewelry, but you know, they have different colors, whether you want gold or silver on the website. Absolutely phenomenal. So they've been in business for 10 years. They recently in 2020 opened up their storefront in Paris, France. It is beautiful. I've never been to Paris before. I really want to go, but the store looks absolutely beautiful. If I ever do go, I'm stopping there because I have to see it in person. Anyways, but they sent me some jewelry. I want to show it. I haven't even looked at it yet. I'm so nervous. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. But yeah, they sent me some jewelry. We're going to look at it. We're going to unbox it together. They have top quality jewelry, you guys. Reasonable pricing. So it comes in this bag. It's so cute. So your items come with free worldwide shipping if you spend $39 or more. They have a 365-day warranty on their products, and then they have a 30-day free return policy as well. And also you can save 20% on your purchase. I have a discount code. I'm going to put it on the screen here, but it's just my name, Melissa, with a capital M, so you can save 20% on your purchase. I'm so nervous. So what I did, you guys, like normally I pick out my own stuff, but I told them that I wanted them to craft something for me, like have their jewelers just go ahead and design something. I saw a picture on their website that I really liked, so I sent them the pictures for inspiration, but I had them craft it. So I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what it looks like. There's 2 boxes. Oh my God, the packaging is exquisite. It just looks so luxurious and so expensive. And you guys know I am a sucker for gold. Look at that. That was just gorgeous. Oh, beautiful. We're gonna look at this together for the first time. Let's see what they sent. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. I am going to freaking, oh God, okay, let me calm down. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Oh my God, look at all the beautiful charm. I'm so serious, I'm gonna cry. Oh my God, this is so, I don't have anything like, I don't even want to take it out the box. It is so stunning. Oh my God, okay, hold on. Let me take it out and show you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I gotta calm down. Great gift, you guys. If you want to get a gift for somebody, this is it. Look, it looks so lavish, so gorgeous, so expensive, so absolutely stunning. Because they have so many different kind of charms on the website, whether you are fun and playful, like you like emojis or animals, or if you just like beautiful, unique pieces that are rhinestones and diamond, like a wide variety of charms on their website to fit any personality. Look at this. This is so absolutely stunning. I am at a loss for words. I am just, woo. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's gold, and this is the clasp part right here. Oh my God. I hope you guys are seeing this. I hope my camera is really showing how gorgeous it is. So they chose, it looks like purple and blue for the accent colors on here. I have to figure out how to open this up. I think this part clasps. Okay, so I have another one. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Let's see. Ready, set, go. Oh, this one's, let me, look at this. Oh my God. So I have a silver and a gold. I'm so excited about that. Luck and Love. Oh, that's so cute. It has a key on here. Oh my God. They are just, these charms are so exquisite, you guys. Like, so, they're so detailed. They're so freaking detailed. So beautiful. And on the back it says Luck and Love. You guys see the little key on there? The charms are so gorgeous. And then it has the little clasp on there. Oh my God. My heart is just so overwhelmed. These charms, I need you guys to see these in person. I need you to see them in person. They are simply exquisite. Like, there is no other word. They are so absolutely divinely gorgeous. And they're so detailed. Like, I keep looking at them from different angles, and each angle I look at, there's different things to view. They are so exceptionally beautiful. Both bracelets fit. They fit perfectly. But I try to do close-up shots on the bracelet to show you guys how it looks. It is just so beautiful. I just keep staring at it and keep looking at each individual charm because each one is different. It's just beautiful. So I have the gold one and then the silver one. I love this one too because it has this little attachment. So it has an attachment here. It's a lock and it's a key and there's a chain attached to both of them. And then it has this love and luck charm on there. It's so beautiful. It has like this, to me it reminds me of the carriage on Cinderella, but it has like this pink and silver heart here. And for some reason, it just reminds me of the carriage of Cinderella. I love these so much. Of course, the gold is my favorite because you guys know gold is my favorite color. Oh, God, my brain. I see why people love charm bracelets so much. They're so unique to your personality and your style, and they're just so beautiful. Like I said, these are going to be a great gift for yourself, for a family member. It could be a wedding gift, a birthday gift, you know, any kind of holiday is coming up. Or if you just love somebody, you want to give them something pretty, like, just get it for them. Like, you don't have to have a reason to buy somebody something. If you just love somebody, you want to give them something special, give them something special. Because this has just made my day. The charms are part of the Gona 2023 collection. Like I said, they have a ton more on the website. I will have their site linked down below in the description bar. And remember, you can save 20% off my discount code Melissa. So 20% off your purchase. That's it for this video. I love you guys so much. I will catch you next time. Until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah. Bye, bye.